Okay.
Come on. I can't reach. What is happening? What are you doing?
I'm literally just pressing A and B because I'm trying to itch my eye.
I thought you were gonna
I'm
say something else there. I was a little confused.
Fair
I was
enough.
like, well, openly
Fair
unnecessary, but okay.
Ah!
Whoops. I didn't even mean to grab it again. Whoop. Dang it. Wrong button.
You tried to ult me.
Yes.
Ah!
I tried to.
Ooh, boomer.
Ultimatum.
No! Where did that weapon just go?
Oh! Ultimatum! Uh-oh.
Oh, oops.
You can't do that to me.
I didn't mean to.
No, you meant to. That was intentional.
Ah!
Bro. Quit it.
Bro.
I hope you beat your own ball. Whoops. Hey.
Uh-oh. I didn't mean to.
Neither did I. Go over there. Go, I said.
Okay, I'll go over there. Just let me.
I'm not allowing you to itch your eye.
Oh, well, it's a little bit too late for that. How did that bro?
Whoops. What the heck? Ah.
Bro.
See, that's what happens when you vaccinate your kids.
Just please don't be Calvin Pride. Okay, I'm fine with that.
Crap.
Who is
I'm the
this?
good guy. You're Scarlet.
Bro, is this Scarlet Overkill from the Minions, bro?
Oh, Scarlet Overkill, bro?
From the Minions. What is
Yeah,
this,
like
bro?
what?
Bro's got that hammer.
She don't even look like it. Just because her name is Scarlet doesn't mean she's Scarlet Overkill.
It does.
She doesn't even have the dress. You don't understand.
Ow!
Oh, you. Oh. Well, my hands are gone now. You like figure out what you're doing?
Bro, what was that?
It was an accident. Stop itching your eyeball.
No, it's so easy. I don't know why I do it.
Bomb. Oh, yo. Whoops. Oh. I didn't realize. I'm not doing that again.
I'm going overboard. You almost hit me with that.
But I hit you with that. Anyway. Whoops. Ah! What? This is black. I don't want to talk about it. Oh my god! No!
I win! Even as Scarlet Overkill, I'm just better.
Well, you should.
No.
You should decompose. Oh, hold on.
No,
no,
no, no, no. I was so close.
Yes.
Now die.
No. Ah!
No.
Your calculations do not add up.
Your calculations do not add No.
Oh.
No, give me the bomb. No.
I gave you the bomb.
I gave you the bomb.
I gave you the bomb though. Like I
gave you
legitimately.
the bomb.
I mean, did I
You know-
not?
Yeah, no, you didn't.
Then what did I just give you right now?
No. No.
Try me now.
Stupid eye, why'd you have to be itchy at the worst time? Oh, I heard somebody screaming outside my neighborhood.
Well, they're obviously okay.
You're like, hey,
That's just normal people in Oregon.
in Oregon. In Oregon!
Yes, Oregon. Come. My bad. Did I misproject you as such?
No! Troll,
I was blowing on that horn.
Ow.
Come here. Oh.
What's my stupid battles? No.
Your battle sphincter has died.
Dude, what did I have to let go for it to go?
Yeah. No!
Ow. What the frig? It doesn't even go anywhere.
Yes, it does. You just suck.
2, 1, brawl.
Now I'm Fate. Dr. Fate. No.
Wow, there's slobber. Oh no.
At one point, I actually just uploaded a video that was gonna be for another channel on that one, and I was like, well, this sucks. And I'm not even gonna lie, I regret that video. I regret it.
Why?
Because it was supposed to be a ghost hunting video, but we never got to the ghost hunting part. So literally,
What
I
was
said
the
the
video?
I named it the ghost video that never happened.
Well, what was in the video?
We were literally just being rude to each other the whole time and looking at random things, and it just kind of like ends. And what's funny is I had a high-pitched voice, so it's worse. I never want to go back to it ever again. I mean, well, I don't want to watch it ever again, really. But I mean, if you want to see it, I can send it to you, bro.
Oh, absolutely. That sounds like fun.
But I'm gonna leave the game now.
No,
I'm leaving the game.
Bro, you actually
Game's still yes.
you left the
I
game
can't do
because
it.
you just got owned. Oh, free
I got
XP.
owned, and I'm looking for.
Free
I'm
XP, I
looking for the
guess.
video.
Unless I die here.
Free experience.
Free experience.
What?
Who, what, who, that, what?
There are more contacts in my phone than I remember. Who is Chad Carlson?
These chicken fries are for me, but here you go. Oh.
Oh, you've got to be. Oh, thank.
Oh
I
my
have faith.
no.
Here, Isaiah.
Are you kidding?
Ah, I'm so happy.
Screw this game.
I'm actually.
1, brawl.
My dog's gonna be whining the entire time while I'm trying to eat my beacon. Shut up!
And at the same time, you're gonna be itching your eye, so you can't win.
I'm gonna kill my dog.
What?
Oh no! Lado, I gave you like 2 fries. That's enough. Dude, look at my health bar. Okay, here you go, dude. God, so annoying. Okay, now
Clyde.
finally. You know, my game volume just like fucking disappeared. Ow. Ooh. Ew. Dude, this cannon sucks. Oh, never mind. That's actually pretty good.
Nah, it's actually not.
Shut up. Trying to make myself feel better because my dog's being annoying. My eyes itchy. I'm trying to eat my BK and I'm getting destroyed.
No one cares about your BK, bro.
BK.
Like, ow.
Burger at BK.
Okay, but like, nah, I ain't searching that up, and I don't want to know.
It's for
Couldn't you
the
just,
it's,
like,
for,
ask?
it's for the new Spider-Man movie.
Yeah, I know it's for the new Spider-Man movie. I just don't care.
Bruh. I don't. Here you go.
Oh yeah.
Maybe
Dr.
now you'll shut up.
Nefarious.
Man, don't fucking make it. Oh. Why can't I get
Make a
Reno,
1 in
dude?
100 million.
Have this, I'm gonna just straight up pick Reno, dude. I'm fucking tired. I just gave you an entire French fry. Shut up.
You do not feed the animals, otherwise they beg for more.
Well, that's fair enough. My sister
There's
feeds
your
them.
problem.
My sister feeds them too much. Well, like human food. Thing is, my sister's out of town, which is why we have to babysit them. Lado,
Once in a while you can give them human food, but you don't want to do it all the time, otherwise screw you.
Well, yeah, I know. It's my sister. Every time she gets lunch, she usually gives them like 2 or 3 fries, and then like a piece of his chicken.
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
So what you're saying is you should eliminate your system.
Lado, don't bark, bro. Why are you barking, bro? You're not that hungry. You're not that, bro. It's not that deep. Laudo, it's not that deep.
Ronaldo, come on, brother.
Ronaldo,
Yeah, is that his name, bro?
Alright.
What do you mean?
No, it's Laudo, not Ronaldo.
Why in the world is that the dog's name? Of all things, they're like, hey, let's name it Loudo. Loudo.
It's the other.
Because it's loud. Oh, really?
You remember
Couldn't you call it
Can you
Loudo, like as a nickname? Bro could have called it like Yippee Jew or something like that. Who knows? Maybe that's what I'll name.
His real
I'll
name's
name my next dog as Yippee You.
His real name's Loudon, technically.
Loudon.
How are you at 3 lives now at 1?
Because I've distracted you. No.
Fair enough. You actually kind of have. Now die.
For real.
Lado, stop looking at me like that.
No!
Victory.
Dude, Waldo needs to stop.
Where's Waldo?
He is eating your Burger King chicken McNuggets or something like that. McNuggets.
Chicken.
No, Waldo.
Oh, shit. You mean Laudo?
No, Waldo. You don't understand. I don't care about Loudo. Waldo is better.
Waldo is... I thought Laudo's name was pretty fun. Ugh. Also, they're chicken fries.
Yeah, I remembered the chicken part. I forgot about the fries part.
What the fuck?
Who is this?
Who are you?
Bro.
Young Destry GG's, what the fuck?
Bro. What? How going? Who joined? Is this lobby not private? Is that how that works?
It is private. I don't know
bro
how this was happening.
I don't either. Anyway. Oh, you kicked him.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know how the hell that guy joined.
Yeah, who is that?
I don't
just
know.
Joined in like, hey, what's good? I'm just gonna join in.
Wait.
Like we'll. So he's like, hey, how's it going? Who are you? Why are
hey,
you
it's
here?
good to see you guys again. We don't know who you are.
Yeah, like, bro. Like,
That was the most random scenario ever, dude.
that was strange, but okay.
Fucking
Have
creepy.
great fun,
Oh my
dude.
God.
Just don't
Fine,
join us.
Here you go, Jesus. Ow, bro, what the fuck? I'm red rapist, you already know.
What?
I'm the red rapist.
Bro, that's not the red rapist. Oh God. That's like a super villain who literally does normal things. That's unfortunate. And what sucks about it is that is normal. More normal than robbing a bank.
Bro, no one,
really
no
sucks,
one
but
robs banks nowadays. It's all just rapists in vans and shit.
who cares about robbing banks, bro? We could just steal their information off of the interwebs, you know? Bro, if I really wanted to, I could hack into the bank security system and just take all the money for myself. Like, so now we're just relying on nothing because the only things we can do are be like, "Hey, bro, don't rape," and they'll be like, I'm gonna do it anyway," you know. Your Burger King Mickin' Nuggets? Yeah,
Mickin' Nuggets?
Mickin' Nuggets, bro. We're gonna McMug you. I'm gonna kill myself, bro.
Do it.
Can't do it.
I support your dreams.
I'm gonna beat the crap out of you. Why? Because the game. Okay.
I'm going to smack you, and this is not animal abuse. Totally not.
Oh, bro.
No one would.
That would technically be animal abuse.
No.
You abused an animal, but therefore, go ahead.
Yeah, but technically he's owned by me, so it's legal.
No, that's kind of like the whole point of animal abuse.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Doesn't matter who owns it. If you hurt the animal, it's animal abuse. Like, are you dumb?
No idea what you're talking about, sir.
I'm pretty sure recall. You do. I do. What?
I don't. He kind of looks like a. He looks like. You know, like the dress that the KKK wear.
Nah, you did not just say that. You did not just say that. I was taking a drink and I had to spit it out and put the thing down, bro. Oh God.
He looks like he does, dude. I'm not even kidding. He's that shade of white, dude.
Wait, you're telling? Oh my! You could have literally just said, "Bro is really pale." You didn't have to go that far. What is wrong with you?
No, why do I keep getting Scarlet Overthrow?
I got Orion.
Orion? Oh yeah, killers.
Bro, I can't hit.
Alright, now that my BK is finished, and my dog is now actually eating dog food, we are.
Now that my dog is confirmed not to be a KKK member, yeah, so we got some serious problems. Got some serious problems now, buddy.
Wait, what? I thought.